Hello everyone. There's a huge rumor going about a possible partnership between Palantir and guess who? Facebook of all companies. While this might come around as a huge surprise for most of us, some of us who know about the history of Facebook and Palantir might not be that shocked. Peter Thiel, one of the co-founders of Palantir, was the first non-institutional investor in Facebook. Remember that guy in the movie Social Network?
Hey guys, come on back. She offer you some waters?
Oh yeah, we're cool.
On the way. Come on in. Must be Mark.
Hi.
We took a look at everything and congratulations. We're gonna start you off with a $500,000 investment.
Yes, that's Peter Thiel. Well, in this video, we discuss about the origins of the rumor, what possible implications of it being true or not being true might have, and where does this put Palantir on the radar of different companies. Well, the origins of the rumor come from a subreddit called pltr. Someone in the subreddit posted a link from Facebook careers page which shows a job posting which requires Palantir as one of their skills. I did some of my own deep dive into this and was able to pull up all the results by the keyword Palantir from the Facebook careers page. And I was surprised. It was as much as 10 jobs. The job's title: a security analyst intern, online safety, child safety, security analyst intern, online safety, dangerous orgs and individuals. Well, this does sound something like what Palantir would be helping companies with, given their track record of catching Osama bin Laden, preventing an attack on Dalai Lama's computer, and preventing child trafficking on borders. So this does not surprise me. This in fact kind of looks very plausible from a business point of view. Now let's think about, what if this rumor is not true? What does this leave us? And if it's true, will this leave any future marks on Palantir's business? Well, if it's true, it's going to have a huge impact on Palantir's business. Facebook, having one of the richest data sources in the world and being one of the top companies in terms of market capitalization, would blow up Palantir's to different proportion. This is also going to put Palantir on the radar of bigger, better companies than they are dealing with now. And the fact that it's coming from Facebook, who have their own machine learning and artificial intelligence team, validates Palantir's technology further. So this is huge if it's true. What if it's not true? Even if it's not true, the mere fact that Palantir is being recognized by these huge companies, these pioneers in technology, as a provider is huge. It elevates Palantir from being a meme company or a meme stock to the level of serious players. And I've always backed Palantir on that they're serious, they've worked with governments. But somehow this fact has been lost in the sea of, crazy trading and stock speculation. So this is a great news, and there are further rumors that Palantir might actually be working with Apple on something similar, which I'm going to make another video about. But I'm not selling my stocks. I'm holding them for long. I'm holding them till actually Palantir signs the deals with the likes of Facebook and Apple and truly exploits the potential of its platform. And I advise the same. Well, that's all for this video, but stay tuned, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more updates, and keep believing in the future. Thank you.